A can run a kilometer in 4 minutes and B in 5 minutes. How many meters start can A give B in a kilometer race so that the race may end in a dead heat? The race ends in a dead heat. That means both A and B are completing the race together. That means the time required for A and B will be equal. Now, the time required for A, we can see, is 4 minutes. That means 240 seconds to complete the race. Now, B completes the race in 5 minutes. That means B covers 1000 meters in 300 seconds. We want to find out how much distance B can cover in 4 minutes, that is 240 seconds. Let's assume it to be x. So by cross multiplying, x will be equal to 1000 into 240 divided by 300. So this comes out to be 800 meters. So B can cover 800 meters in 4 minutes, that is 240 seconds. So A needs to give 1000 minus 800, that is 200-meter start to B. So that's our answer, 200 meters.